Guys, welcome back to my channel. This always still feels, I don't know, but anyways, my name is Heather and I'm serving you guys natural hair content. And in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful slick updo, and it's this hairstyle that I did on my Instagram about a week ago. Well, I did it, then I posted it on Instagram, and then people were like, they want to see how I achieved it, so that's what we'll be doing in this video. So if you'd like to see how I did that, please do stick around and enjoy the video. So we are going to need a styling gel, and I'm using this Eco styling gel, which I love very much. It smells so good and it's black inside. Love it, it's amazing. So now you're also going to need a hairbrush or brushes. I like using two brushes. This is a detangling Denman brush. I love detangling brushes because I feel like they hold my hair better. And then these ones that have I like this one specifically because the brows are not too soft, they're also not too hard. I have one in SA specifically for hair, but I had to just get this one to be using in the meantime. Then you're going to need a toothbrush, hair ties, bobby pins, and another hair tie that's I'm using wool, so I'll tell you why we need this. Then we are going to need this here. I don't know what this is called. Is this kinky afro? I have no idea, but I like it. I saw it on a picture then, but I've always seen it. People always use it. I sent it to someone to go buy it for me, then they bought it. That's for like 60 bucks. Yeah, not so expensive. Then we are going to need my favorite, which is a satin look or satin scarf for laying the hair down. That's just that. So for today's hairstyle, I want to do it while my hair is in its natural state, which is shrinkage. Why? I always exercise the point that people should take care of their hair and they should allow it to shrink and, you know, embrace it. So because of that, that's how I'll show you guys that if your hair is actually in shrinkage form, how do you then go about styling it? First things first, I have my favorite product, which is the Afro Botanics hair juice. I'm going to be spraying this on my edges. Ooh. I'm going to be spraying this on my edges. Please, I'll be looking this side because I get to see myself and what I'm doing. And then I'm just going to spray my hair more. So now I'm just going to massage it. So I've already done the lock method, and I always do the lock method on my hair prior to doing any hairstyle, because not only are you locking in moisture, but when it comes to using gel, guys, gel dries up your hair. It leaves your hair very, very dry. So you have to make sure that you moisturize it before and you lock in that moisture. So what I'm doing now, I'm just pulling my hair up. So now, if your hair is not that long, I'll just show you what you can do. So now, what you're gonna need to do is that you have to open a parting here in the middle. Doesn't have to be straight, just has to be parting in the middle, which is what I just did. I'm going to start pulling my hair like that. Reason being is that if you just pull your hair up to tie a pony, right, the hair in the middle will create a bump because it's not pulled out properly. So it's always important that whether you start, however, whatever you're doing to your hair, always pull your hair up like that. You're going to take gel, not too much, just a little bit, this much. It smells amazing, guys. And then apply it around the pony that you're creating. So now we are going to tie it up do not make it too tight, and then just move up with the rest of the wool as if you're threading it. Yeah. Guys, this is so important because we are trying to make sure, see now? So now we've made sure that this hair is straight up. So you're going to use your Denman brush okay. So now I'm pulling my hair because I just want it to stretch a bit so that it can get to the middle part. I'm stretching my hair because I need it to get to the middle part. Guys, when your hair is wet, you can stretch it however. So go in with our brush, then our gel. Not a lot. I don't like using a lot of gel on my hair. So this is how much I'm gonna start with. But I'm starting with this side. So then I go this in front. This is how much I'm using. Just a little bit more for this side. Okay, so now we pull. You hold your hair like this, pulling the gel, well, not pulling the gel, but applying the gel onto your hair and pulling your hair to the center where it's going to be tied up. That's just it. Now this is where the second hair tie comes in. I'm going to be tying the rest of this hair. That we are here at the top, we are going to join everything together as one. If you want, you can take out the hair tie that I put when I was tying the front to join it together, but if you want, you can use your third hair tie. Guys, I don't know how having 3 hair ties on your head can kill you. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Yebo. So now we are all tied up, and you see this one is still at the top and we don't have a bump. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take a little bit more gel just to go over everything and then brush it up. So this is also why I wasn't applying too much when I started, because this is where the rest of it comes in. This brush, and then we are done. For your edges, which I always try to do, but I'm not perfect at. So now that we've done everything, that is when our certain duck comes in. I folded it in half, and then there's wow, duck. Then I throw it in. And then I always make sure that I leave the ponytail out. Not too tight, you don't want to give yourself a headache, but tight enough for it to lay your head down. So now, if you can see, much pressure is around this part of your head. I like going in with another duck. Doesn't have to be certain, can be anything here, because this hair also has to be laid down. Whew. So now I'm going to, I don't know, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. So they say the longer you stay, the better. Well, I'm also saying it because I've said I'm going to do, yeah, maybe I'll do a natural look. I don't know, try doing my makeup or something, and then I'll be back in 30 minutes. Hi guys, so I'm back now. I took this one out because it was tight at some point. So now let us remove this one. So it's slightly it's a little bit, just a little bit wet, not too much, which is okay. So now this is where we go in with his hair. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to wrap it around our ponytail. I don't like it to be too high. And then that's high enough. Then hold it there. Hairpin. Lock that like that. Now we are going to go again with the last section. Do the same thing again with that last part. That's where the bobby pins come in. Go in with another bobby pin just to secure this part. Guys, you don't want anything falling out. I just don't like how it shows, so I'm just gonna put it like that. See, it doesn't show. And that is our final product. Guys, I'm in love with this. I feel like I can't just do this hairstyle and go wash my face. And then go wash my hair. Like, who ha? It is what it is. But yeah, it is what it is. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please do comment down below, like the video, share the video, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until my next one.